Better than ice cream.
Finally found my Snoopy boggin. Okay, we've got so far about 4.5 inches of snow, but now we're trying to, it's turning over to freezing rain. And I'm not even show you what I'm doing. So I thought if I'm gonna get my snow cream, I better go ahead and get my snow now. So I'm just scraping off a little bit, like the top layer, until I get my snow. Can't believe this weather. Of course you don't want yellow snow. Alright, let's go in now and make our snow cream. It's going in my boots.
Okay, I'm gonna add some of this, I still don't like the imitation vanilla, but about a teaspoon. Then you can do milk, half and half, heavy cream, evaporated milk, whatever you got and whatever you want. Don't forget your sugar. And then from here, it's just a taste test to get it how you want it. You can also add chocolate if you want chocolate snow cream. Needs a little more sugar. Better than ice cream.